Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you absolutely cringe upon feeling an ice cold bottle of red, then that probably means two things. Number one, you're a little bit of a wine snob, which I totally respect. And number two, you probably need this Cobalance wine chiller. This wine chiller takes all the guesswork out of getting my bottle of wine at the perfect drinking temperature. I can choose the exact temperature I want it to be by using the up-down arrows on the unit. It helps my wine to reach and maintain the right serving temperature so I can just set it and forget it. When I chill my wine in the fridge, there's always a risk that I'm going to forget it and it'll be at the completely wrong temperature. Not only does this eliminate that problem, but it also saves space in my fridge too. If I have overnight guests coming and I want to treat them extra special, I can even put this wine chiller in their room and have a perfectly chilled bottle of wine ready and waiting for them. It has a really long cord, which I really appreciate because I can put this chiller wherever we're sitting so we can have that wine close by and really handy. No matter if we're drinking red wine or white wine, it is going to stay at just the right temperature. Whatever we're doing, we can enjoy our wine all evening. I really like the look of the unit too. It looks really sleek and modern, and it just blends in seamlessly with whatever decor you have going on. It's totally perfect for me, and I also have several wine-loving friends, and I think that it would make an excellent gift for them too. I can drink all of my wines at the temperature that they're supposed to be enjoyed at now, thanks to this Cobalance wine chiller. And that's my point of view.